There's just something about travel. It changes you. My name is Cade, and my hope is that travel will help me discover exactly who I really am. This is my adventure after grabbing a ticket anywhere.
I got into an ocean kayak, went out and tried to clear the break, and so I cleared the first break that they have here on the beach, and then the second one, I just didn't stand a chance. Ended up capsizing, losing the kayak, losing a couple of my mounts, and unfortunately losing the camera that most of today's diary cam footage was on, and as well as a good hike up and down the beach. So this episode is going to be a bit different than normal, but hopefully you guys can appreciate what I did get on camera. So enjoy. So for the first time, I actually think I found a point where the river meets the ocean. But now, it's time to go play in the sand and in the waves. I haven't had that much fun in the ocean since I was a kid, and that was just a ton of fun. Jumping around for a little bit, now I'm gonna go lay out on the beach with the sun coming back out. This is gonna be a good day.
After losing the camera in the ocean kayak experience, I did my best to recreate portions of the hike that I thought were some of my best shots. I decided to go out on the beach, have a great day, shoot all of it on the Contour cameras, the Roams that I have, and they're great cameras, and I love them. And so I had a great day, and went and laid out on the beach and had fun out there, and then went on this really long hike in order to enjoy myself and see, you know, kind of what's around the bend, and then walked all the way to the other end where the boats were. I took a lot of great video that I was really proud of and thought was going to turn out to be very good. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I decided to try and make good on one of the promises that I had made myself, which was to go ocean kayaking, because I've done it a couple times and I really enjoy it. And as a result, I walked up, and there's, you know, big waves coming in. It was whoa. Well, let's add an earthquake to today as well then, apparently. Today's question of the day is, have you ever lost anything while traveling? If so, what did you lose? On the next episode of A Ticket Anywhere, the hotel attendant and cabbie sent me to the wrong airport, so I have to brave a downpour and a 7-hour wait before getting on a plane back to San Jose.